Egypt has reportedly issued an ultimatum to Hamas, urging them to agree to a ceasefire or face the possibility of an Israeli ground offensive in Rafah. According to Israeli media reports, Hamas has been given a 2-week deadline to finalize a stalled prisoner exchange agreement dating back to November last year. This ultimatum from Egypt comes amidst Israeli warnings of a potential ground incursion in Rafah, which lies dangerously close to the Egyptian border. Cairo's concern stems from the fear that the onset of such an operation could prompt tens of thousands of displaced Gazans sheltering in Rafah to cross into Egyptian territory. Egypt will be brokering negotiations on a truce deal starting Tuesday with the participation of Israel, the US, and Qatar. The outcome of the talks could significantly impact Gaza's stability and the broader Israeli-Palestinian conflict. Notably, during a previous week-long truce in late November, Hamas released over 100 Israeli and foreign hostages in exchange for Israel releasing around 240 Palestinian prisoners. On Monday, Israel Defense Forces managed to safely evacuate 2 hostages from Rafah. While Egypt attempts to avert the worst-case scenario, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is determined to intensify the ground offensive. Over the weekend, Netanyahu confirmed that Israeli troops will be attacking Rafah on foot. "We are going to do it. We are going to get the remaining Hamas terrorists battalions in Rafah, which is the last bastion, but we are going to do it. We are going to do it while providing safe passage for the civilian population so they can leave," said Netanyahu. Those who say that under no circumstances should we enter Rafah are basically saying lose the war, keep Hamas there, he added. When questioned about the fate of the people crowded in makeshift tent camps in Rafah, Prime Minister Netanyahu assured that Israel was actively developing a comprehensive plan. Rafah stands as the final significant population center in Gaza that Israeli forces have not yet entered. Despite the threat, Hamas released a statement saying any Israeli ground offensive in Rafah will blow up the hostage exchange negotiations.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.